Well, here we are back on the road yet again, and this time we're heading across the island to the town of Nidri once again, where we're going to hire a small boat so that we can explore the island from the water. This should be fun. I don't think I've ever seen Adam smile so much.
Won't last, don't worry.
This is an absolutely fantastic way to discover the island that is pretty much inaccessible by foot or by car. Lots of little bays, lots of little coves, lots of little kind of caves and things like that to explore. It's fantastic. So Adam's having the first drive, then I'm going to take over and do the next leg of the trip. I'll be sailing along the west coast through villages and towns. I'll be on my holidays, they'll be doing their rounds in my ship called Dignity. Hope I don't get a copyright strike for that.
Well, probably. Well, not without singing.
Quality pointing that, Adam.
Why are you stroking your building?
I'm saying quality pointing. I feel like I'm practically an expert at pointing these days. And that is not good pointing, look.
Because it's not finished.
So we've stopped off at this gorgeous, sleepy little fishing village called Vathy. We're going to cool off with a nice refreshing drink and an ice cream because it is absolutely roasted, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm a bit cooked.
And then we're going to jump back on the boat and continue exploring. Cheers. I feel like the cat that's got the cream today. This is beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And with that, our day was almost over. Both of us relaxed, just enjoying our time here, without a care in the world. It's really easy to lose track of time. After our stop at Vathy, it was time to head back to Nidri to return the boat, before making our way back to the villa, but not before encountering our wee friends again.